Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Marco. Welcome to YouTube. Welcome to my channel. Welcome. My name's Marco. You can chop that out. Okay, so today we're making garlic paste. This is one of my favorite things to have in my fridge at all times. The recipe we're making today makes about 1.5 cups. And remember, 1/2 teaspoon of this equals a clove of garlic. You can store this in your fridge for up to a week. If you don't use all of it by the end of the week, you can put it in a ziplock bag, flatten it out, and then freeze it and break it off in chunks as you need it. So for this recipe, you're gonna need 3 to 4 heads of garlic, and I'm gonna show you 2 ways to peel them. One with the chef's knife and one with the paring knife. To separate the garlic, use the palm of your hand and you're gonna press on it, get rid of all this papery stuff, and remove the cloves until each one looks kind of like this. The first way to do it is to take your chef's knife with the blade facing away from you. Crush the clove, and you can easily peel off the skin. The next way to do it is by using a paring knife. Cut off both ends and start peeling the skin. This takes a lot of time, so what I usually do, because I get lazy, is go to the store and buy a bag of pre-peeled garlic. So gorgeous. Now add your garlic to the blender, a pinch of salt, because you gotta season your shit, 3/4 cups of water, 3/4 cups of olive oil, put a lid on it and blend. Blend until you have a rich, creamy garlic smoothie. Now you have an easy way to add garlic to your rice, stews, pasta sauces, curries, stir fries, dressings, fried rice, marinades, mashed potatoes, soups, lube, garlic bread. You get the idea.